Hello everyone! Today we will be discussing how to find the implied domain of any given function. This is extremely important for the Year 12 Methods exam, as it is guaranteed to appear every single year multiple times between both Exam 1 and Exam 2. First of all, the implied domain of a function considers all of the possible x values that a function can take. For example, a linear line or a parabola has an implied domain of all real numbers. However, there are three situations where this isn't the case. Case 1, the non-zero constraint. This constraint occurs whenever x variables are seen on the denominator of a function, and so the denominator must not equal 0. The non-zero constraint explains that if we have y equals 4 divided by x minus 2 plus 3, then x minus 2 does not equal 0. This is because a function cannot have a denominator equal to 0, as that would be undefined. Now remember, this occurs for any function that has a denominator. Case 2, the non-negative constraint. This constraint is considered when x variables are found within a square root sign. Because of this, anything in the square root sign must be found to be greater than or equal to 0. For example, y equals the square root of 2x minus 4, where the expression under the square root must be greater than or equal to 0. This gives us 2x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0, which means x must be greater than or equal to 2. Let's visualize this function and see why the domain is restricted. Case 3, the non-zero and non-negative constraint together. This occurs when x variables are in the square root sign whilst being on the denominator. An example of this is y equals 2x divided by the square root of x minus 8. In this case, x minus 8 must be greater than or equal to 0, which means x must be greater than or equal to 8. Additionally, the function cannot equal 0 in this case because there are variables still present on the denominator. So the denominator must be non-zero, but since it's a square root, it's always positive when x is greater than 8. So our domain is simply x greater than or equal to 8.